Is your website analytics looking depressing? Sending emails to a tiny list or posting on social media with zero engagement? You need visitors, but the idea of paying for ads feels impossible right now. If you're stuck with low traffic, it's time to stop low traffic and unlock the power of organic growth. This video reveals 7 proven free ways to get website visitors without spending a single dollar on ads. So many online business owners believe they need a huge budget to get noticed. They see competitors running ads and feel left behind. But you don't need to pay to drive traffic to your website. Smart, focused effort on free ways to get traffic can build a sustainable audience. Imagine a consistent flow of people finding your website, your content, your offers, purely because you used smart strategies. You absolutely can get significant free website traffic. Stop low traffic by implementing these methods. Here are 7 proven free ways to get website visitors. SEO, Search Engine Optimization. Optimize your website content and structure to rank higher in search engine results like Google, bringing you free SEO traffic from people actively searching for what you offer. Social media organic posts. Consistently share valuable, engaging content on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn that your target audience uses, driving interest back to your site. Email marketing. Build an email list by offering a lead magnet, like a free guide, and nurture subscribers with valuable content, directing them back to your website regularly. Guest blogging. Write articles for other relevant websites in your niche with an established audience, including a link back to your site in your author bio or within the content. Community engagement. Participate genuinely in online forums, groups, or Q&A sites related to your industry or niche, sharing helpful insights and linking to your website when appropriate and allowed. YouTube, organic video traffic. Create helpful or entertaining videos optimized for YouTube, including links in your video description and directing viewers back to your website for more information or resources. Pinterest. Visual search to discovery. Design. Visually appealing pins that link back to your blog posts, products, or landing pages, treating Pinterest like a visual search engine for discoverability. These are just some of the free traffic sources online available. Implementing these free ways to drive traffic to your website takes consistency and effort, but the payoff is building a valuable asset, a growing audience that finds you organically, resulting in valuable organic website traffic. Stop low traffic. Start implementing these strategies today. Ready to stop low traffic and get website visitors free? Using these 7 proven free ways? Check out my other videos for in-depth guides on specific free website traffic strategies.